I'm JJ with MaxTrac Suspension. Today we're going to be talking about kit number KS331935S. This is a 3.5 lowering kit for the 2019 to current Silverado Sierra 1500 trucks. This kit is comprised of 3 boxes. Box 1, 10-19-20 are 2-inch lowering spindles. Box 2, 37-19-03 are 0 to 3-inch front lowering struts. And box 3 is the rear box kit, flip kit, hangers, and shocks, part number 2019-50. Over here, we're also going to be featuring our optional frame support C-notch that can be used with any version of our flip kits. Thank you. In our next segment, we're going to be unboxing these, talking about the parts individually. Now we have our parts unboxed for this KS331935S GM 1500 lowering kit that fits the 2019 to current Silverado Sierra 1500 platforms. Right in front of me, we have the front components, which are the spindles and the struts. The spindles are a ductile iron, our signature series MaxTrac spindles, which relocate the wheel bearing to give you your 2 inches of drop. The great feature about them is they don't change ride quality. They're not changing your suspension geometry, and they are 100% bolt-on. The next element you have is going to be your lowering strut. This is a twin tube black body strut that is also a signature MaxTrac series that features 4 grooves: stock height, 1-inch drop, 2-inch drop, and 3-inch drop. It comes with a new retainer clip and a safety collar just as the factory strut would, and then your new lower coil seat to sit on top of that. The great element about this is you can fine-tune your height also to get the right stance and just the perfect look that you're going for. Next, we're going to move on over to the left here where we have all the rear components. This is our 5-inch flip kit, which at the heart of it is our axle relocators, 3/16 steel, powder coated gray. And this is what the axle sits in, or what people call your axle saddle. So the axle was originally mounted underneath the leaf spring, and with a flip kit gets moved to the top of the leaf spring, sits in here, and gets bolted together with the new spring plates and your U-bolt retainers and the new longer U-bolts provided. This by itself would give about a 7.5 inch drop. So we also include these bolt-on lift hangers that fit up inside the factory mount where the leaf spring originally went at the front of the leaf spring. They bolt in, they drop down the mount, and they bring the truck back up to a 5-inch drop. Again, 100% bolt-on. These are actually 1/4-inch steel and powder coated our signature gray. We also include a very simple but thorough hardware kit that has drop-in nut plates, so you're not having to reach or use magnets to get nuts inside the frame. All your grade 10.9 hardware and some 8.8 hardware. We have other bolts here along with some low-profile bump stops. And then we also round it out with our twin tube black body shocks. So you have a matched ride quality to the front and a slightly firmer valving than factory, so that you can actually help control with a less range of motion out of your rear suspension. And now to get up here, as we all know with lowering kits, sometimes you get some vibrations because everything's all at different angles, and with the different leaf packs and suspension package on these trucks, it definitely is possible. So we offer 2-degree shims and a range of different thickness transmission spacers to help you play with that and fine-tune the driveline for the best ride possible. Last, we're going to move all the way over to this side to our optional frame support C-notch. When you lower a truck, you are now substituting suspension up travel for drop, so you're limiting now your suspension up travel. In order to gain more for a more comfortable ride, notching the frame and creating more space is the way to go. So we offer this bolt-on C-notch that gives you an extra couple inches for a lot more comfortable ride. And yes, although it's bolt-on, it does require cutting, making room to make it bolt-on. So this is what actually strengthens the frame after it's cut. We also have these drop-in bolt plates that will pinch it in, fit inside your factory boxed frame, pinch it in and bolt it up tight, along with a series of nut plates on the bottom, so you're grabbing not just the surface or the face of the frame, you're grabbing the bottom and the top and the sides of it. Like the rest of the flip kit, it's a very simple bolt-on kit with a thorough but well thought out hardware kit and extra bump stops. This concludes the unboxing of MaxTrac's kit KS331935S, which is a 3.5 lowering kit for the 2019 to current Silverado Sierra 1500 trucks. We also have our 2.4 kits, along with 3.5 kits, 4.6 kits, and a 2.4 kit for the Magna trucks. So come check us out at MaxTracSuspension.com. Thank you.